What is holistic wealth and how does it apply to my life? First, we must define the terms individually. Holistic is the act of relating to or concerned with wholes or with complete systems, rather than with the analysis of, treatment of, or dissection into parts. Wealth is the abundance of valuable material, possessions, or resources. By combining the two words, holistic wealth represents complete abundance in all areas of life, including the mind, body, and soul. Before we attempt to achieve anything in life, we must first understand the reason for investing our time, energy, and effort into something. What is your why? What is your motivation? And what is your end goal? Holistic wealth is complete wealth. It is emotional, physical, spiritual, and financial health that's aligned with who and what you are. The wholeness in your life will enable you to find happiness, prosperity, and purpose. Each and every decision we make carries either a negative or positive consequence. These decisions can create a ripple effect throughout our lives. We must constantly seek balance in our life to transform our lives and the lives of others. Our mind is the most powerful tool and resource we have available. We must start with our mindset. Our mindset is a choice. Our thoughts can shift and change over time, but we must remain persistent with our goals and continue to evolve and expand our thoughts and actions. Eventually, the total mind and body transformation will take shape. Everything in life starts with a thought, which becomes an idea, which turns into action. This will lead to an incredible journey of self-discovery and lifelong learning. Along this journey, you will activate the reticular activating system. This process brings the subconscious mind into your conscious mind. People and circumstances will come into your awareness and become resources in all aspects of your life to help guide you along your enlightened path. What you believe becomes your reality.
Don't think you are. Know you are.
This will dictate the type of life you create for yourself. Start turning limiting beliefs into positive thoughts. Words matter. Focus matters. Have daily gratitude. Be mentally flexible for unexpected obstacles and changing circumstances. Begin to align your time with your goals. Apply the skills learned from your job, hobbies, and relationships to aid you to get to your end goal. You'll start to see the world in abundance and not in scarcity. You'll go from just motivation to determination. Journal your goals so you'll have something tangible to read daily. Stay active in your pursuit of your goal by making daily progress. This will create lasting habits which will become daily wins in your life. Be prepared for the inevitable storm clouds that will appear and learn to pivot so that nothing will derail you from your progress. Sleep is one of the most essential aspects of your health. It allows your body and mind to recharge, leaving you refreshed and alert when you wake up. Better sleep also helps the body remain healthy and fight diseases. Without enough sleep, the brain cannot function properly. This can limit your ability to concentrate, think clearly, and process thoughts. The recommended amount of sleep for most adults is between 7 to 9 hours. Exercise has been proven through numerous studies to relieve stress, anxiety, depression, and anger. Regular exercise allows the body to retain its strength, its stamina, and overall ability to function properly. This will result in less visits to the doctor and maintain excellent cardiovascular health. Diet works in conjunction with exercise. What we put in our body is essential to maintaining overall health. The proper diet will pay huge dividends later in life. Diet and exercise will build up the body's immune system and boost your body's ability to fight off disease. The combination of sleep, exercise, and diet will enable us to live longer to hopefully see our goals and dreams come to fruition. Research has shown that physically active people who are at a healthy weight live about 7 years longer than those who are not. The importance of spiritual wealth helps find life's meaning and purpose. Spirituality can be found through religion, prayer, meditation, and the practice of living life through divine love. These practices will enhance mental acuity, mindfulness, clarity, and focus. Living life according to the principles of God and the universe will keep you aligned with your values and your belief systems. People with spiritual health tend to have a more positive outlook on life, allowing more hope to enter their lives, along with more forgiveness, more self-acceptance, more self-worth, more commitment, and more inner peace. Spiritual health brings empathy, compassion, joy, and love for others. This brings value to everyone you encounter, which is our true purpose on earth. Financial health is important because it equips us with the knowledge and the skills needed to manage money, grow money, and keep money more effectively. Without it, our financial decisions lack a solid foundation for success. At times, the process can seem slow and very long. It begins with a game plan. Determine where you are currently financially and where you would like to go. Make the identity shift needed to become financially empowered. Gain security by producing income through a job or a business. Become financially educated through books, podcasts, videos, groups, mentors, and mastermind programs. Reduce or eliminate debts to raise personal credit scores. Establish banking relationships and become knowledgeable about various financial tools offered at banks and credit unions to aid you along your financial journey. Increase income over time through job promotions or scaling a business. Continue to work towards targeted savings goals. Invest in things you know and understand. Secure your cash flow from investments by putting it in a retirement account. Rinse and repeat. This is the blueprint to create true financial wealth. Wealth and freedom are achievable by staying focused and disciplined. Don't swing for the fences. Hit singles every day, every month, every year, and you will safely and effectively reach your goals. Join Mason Institute to begin your holistic wealth journey and create a purpose-driven life. Don't let your potential stay locked inside you. Learn to create value and empower yourself and others through holistic freedom.